Learn Italian future. To be equals
essere,
English to Italian. Welcome from Synapse Lingo. Hey there. This episode is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your friendly shortcut to language mastery. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies and practice tools. Today your mission is simple. Nail the future of to be, that's
essere,
so you can promise great things like a pro. Keep your smile on, jokes and tiny pauses are included. Your goal today. You'll learn to talk about tomorrow, clearly, confidently, and with style. Base verb.
essere,
Equals to be. You, singular, will be.
sarai,
He will be.
lui sarà,
She will be.
sarà,
It will be.
sarà,
We will be.
noi saremo,
You, plural, will be.
voi sarete,
They will be.
saranno.
Quick forms, quick laughs. Repeat after me and imagine tomorrow getting brighter with each line. Tomorrow, you will be amazing.
Sarai,
Fantastico, A. At 9, he will be there.
lui sarà,
Li alla 9. She will be on time.
sarà,
Puntuale. Relax, it will be easy.
sarà,
Facile. We will be ready.
noi saremo,
Pronti. You all will be in the front row.
voi sarete,
In prima fila. They will be happy.
saranno,
Felici. Mini dialogue at the cafe. Listen in, then echo the Italian lines with gusto. A. Big day tomorrow. Will Marco be on time? B. Sure.
lui sarà,
Puntuale. A. And the weather? B.
sarà,
Soleggiato, perfect gelato weather. A. Our group? B.
noi saremo,
Li presto, E.
voi sarete,
I primi a sedervi. A. And the musicians? B. Tranquillo.
saranno,
Pronti alla auto. Call and response drill. I say the cue in English, you fire back the Italian. Loud and proud. Cue. Tomorrow, you will be ready. You.
domani sarai,
Pronto, pronta. Cue. He will be at home at 9. You.
lui sarà,
A casa alla 9. Cue. She will be happy. You.
sarà,
Felice. Cue. It will be easy. You.
sarà,
Facile. Cue. We will be on time. You.
noi saremo,
Punctuali. Cue. You, plural, will be champions. You.
voi sarete,
Campioni. Cue. They will be there. You.
saranno,
Lee. Culture tip. Hook your memory to real Italian culture. Think of the hit song, Sarà perché ti amo. Every time you hear
sarà,
your brain goes, future. It will be. Musical mnemonics for the win. Pop quiz time. Quick checks, no pressure. Answer out loud, then I'll reveal it. Ch.11. Translate, they will be. A1.
saranno,
Q2. Translate, we will be. A2.
noi saremo,
Q3. Translate, you, singular, will be. A3.
Sarai.
Q4. Translate, he will be. A4.
Lui sarà.
Q5. Translate, you, plural, will be. A5.
Voi sarete.
Q6. Translate, she will be, or, it will be. A6.
Sarà.
Final challenge story. Say the Italian parts with me, own the future like a boss. Tomorrow.
Noi saremo.
In the city early, at 9.
Lui sarà.
Davanti al museo, lei.
Sarà.
Gia pronta con I biglietti, e il tour.
Sarà.
Facilissimo. Voi?
Voi sarete.
In prima fila, e loro.
Saranno.
I fan più rumorosi. Base verb to remember?
Essere.
Nailed it. Wrap up and thank you. You crushed it. Future tense unlocked. Thanks for learning with Synapse Lingo. Keep practicing these forms in tiny promises you make for tomorrow, and they'll stick. For more lessons, transcripts, and quizzes, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. See you next time. Yes, you.
Sarai.
Fantastico, A.